up, YouTube? This is Elijah coming at you with another video from the applifestyle.org, the one-stop shop for all things rideshare and delivery alike. And this is going to be another video in the what if scenario of Ubereats or Ubereats what if series. So, what do you do if you arrive at the restaurant and they're closed? For whatever reason, maybe you got a ping and it's after hours, that's a glitch. Maybe the restaurant is closed for some unknown reason. Whatever the reason is, it's closed when you get there, you can't get in. I'm not talking about situations where you arrive and it is after hours, but the staff is still there. Chances are they got to order at the last minute. I mean, I've been that customer placing the order like a 9:57, and then they start making it, and you know the driver will have to go in there afterwards. I'm not talking about that. They're gonna most likely open the door, hand you the food, etc. I mean, you get there and it's closed. So what you do in that scenario, you will call support and let them know that the restaurant is closed and they're not answering the phone. You should try and call them first. But once they're not answering the phone, support is going to try and call the restaurant. Once they can't get them, then they're going to say to you that, oh, well, we couldn't get them, so we're going to cancel this order so you can move on to the next order. Then they'll give you some kind of reimbursement. Now, the reimbursement kind of goes back and forth with the times. Before it was $1, but my most recent time this happened, it was actually $3. So that's how you handle that situation. To be honest, they keep it at that $3. It does make it semi worth it, especially if you drove a little distance to get there. Now, the better case scenario is if this wouldn't happen, but you know, sometimes, you know, stuff is just out of our control and out of Uber's control. So to recap, you get there and they're closed, you call support. After calling the restaurant yourself to verify it, then they're gonna try and contact the restaurant. They won't be able to. Then they're gonna cancel the order so it doesn't affect any cancellation rate, and you'll get some kind of reimbursement for going to the restaurant. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments or stories, leave them below. If you like the video, a share, subscribe, like, greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to visit the applifestyle.org. Until the next time, peace.